Gravely ZTX-42 LED light installation. Went with 3-inch cubes from Rough Country. As you can see, even come with the caps, which may or may not stay on, I don't know yet. Just bought them more yesterday. Installed these this morning. But tucked away. Tucked up in here. What I did, install the switch right there. Double-sided tape on the back. Bought the harness, excess wire mounted right here. What I did was tapped into the seat kill switch, the purple wire, which is not constant, only comes on when the key is turned on. But basically ran it back here. It comes the relay, attached it right here with the plastic rivet that was already there that held this wire loom. Come up over here and where I tapped in at right here, off the wiring harness, and grounded out right here where everything else is already grounded out. And again, just mounted all that excess wire right here, and that way you'll see it comes on, kill switch, and it cuts off when you turn the key off. There you have it. Now what you may want to do, instead of what I did, you could, instead of tapping in right here, maybe tap in right here. That way it's protected under the seat from weather and such, and probably could have grounded out right here or so. But I ended up back here. Thanks for watching.